Hey guys, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel. I am right now in sunny, super sunny, actually, let me lower this, beautiful Los Angeles, California. I am here for about a week and a day. I'm super excited. I just had the world's craziest flight. Literally, we got delayed in 3 hours, but we finally got here. Just had a super cool meeting, and now me and my mom are heading to the Grove. We're doing a super touristy thing right now, and going to the Grove. And I'm very excited. We're gonna do some pictures there, probably for Instagram, and just really check it out and be very touristy. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me for my first few days. This is gonna be a new series on my YouTube channel where I'm doing tons of traveling. I'm in LA this week. I'm gonna be in London, Israel, tons of great places. I'm gonna be vlogging it all, cooking with tons of amazing people, and taking you guys along with me. So today is just the beginning. We're gonna be checking out what's here. No, what am I even saying? Today is more of just a travel day. We had spent like hours traveling. We've been up since 4 a.m. and now it is, what time is it? It's 5:43 p.m. So it's 8:43 our time, 5:44, well, just changed, 5:44 Pacific time. And so we're pretty tired. So we're gonna do a little bit of touristy, going to the Grove. And then tomorrow is just kind of a chill day. It's 4th of July, so maybe we'll do some more touristy things. All right, let's head to the Grove. Check this out. I think we are here. We now just gotta find some parking. It seems super like LA-ish over here. Lots of palm trees, stores, people out. Ooh, huge Zara. Ooh, let's go there. I like Zara. All right, we are now here, and check this out. It is really, really nice here. It is like beautiful. Check this out. So I'm just here with my mom. We're gonna walk around, do some touristy things, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We got the camera. Hopefully we'll do an Instagram post. And yeah, it is so nice here, and the weather is amazing. Alright, just finished that quick photo shoot for Instagram, and whenever I do these shoots in public, or I'm sure everyone stares at you because like you're posing in the middle of public with like a big DSLR camera, but it is totally worth it when you get the shot, having like hundreds of people stare at you, trust me. So hopefully we got the Instagram picture, and if we did, you can go check it out on my Instagram. My username's right over here. Now we are checking out my favorite store, which is Zara. That's literally where I get all my clothes. So let's see if they have any cool things here. Really like this shirt, but oh wait, I'm blocking. Just all they have is a large, which really stinks. Every time I come to the store, I like their clothes, but they only have larges, so like everything. It's really annoying. All right, let's put it back. Keep looking. All right, well that was a complete fail. They literally did not have anything in my size. Now to be fair, I am like a small in any men's clothing right now. I'm like at that awkward size right now where I'm like in between men's and kids, but they like no smalls, so that was a fail. But we're gonna check out the store called Top Man. What's it called?
Top Shop.
Top Shop. So let's see if they have any clothes there. Yeah, I don't know if that's just me. Comment below if you're also like in between that like kid and adult size clothing right now, because it is so annoying. Because like I see all these clothes in the adult store that I like, but then like majority of them just do not fit. So comment below, let me know. Okay, so first off, this store has extra smalls, which is great and look like my size. So hopefully I'll find at least like one thing I like. And also look at this crazy suit. Oh my God, it's like has like gold embroidery on it. That would take a lot of confidence to wear. I don't even know if I have enough confidence to wear that. All right, let's try to find at least one item I like, because I'm really into what I see. Oh God, the music's so loud. I don't know if you can even hear me. All right, I picked out a bunch of items and I'm now going to try some on. This one, however, just looked too cool. It's like $300. I'm not spending $300, but I mean, I gotta try it on at least. All right, let me try this on. There's no way I'm buying this though, because I'm not spending $300 on a jacket, but it was too cool not to try on. All right, let's see how it looks in the mirror. Pretty stupid as expected. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely done getting this. This looks stupid. All right, but I got some other things I'm gonna try on, so let's see if I like any of those. All right, here we go. Finally found something I like. It's pretty simple, but I am literally down to like 3 t-shirts that fit me at home, so I like this t-shirt. So I'll be getting this shirt. At least I found one thing. All right, let's see if any of the rest look good. Oh my God, no. I look like I'm like running a bowling alley. Okay, definitely not. All right, we got one more shirt that I have very high hopes for. Let's see. All right, I would say overall this was a success. I got a shirt and also some bracelets. I never really wore bracelets before, but they had some like guy bracelets here, so maybe I'll try. And yeah, so we're gonna quickly do like one more photo shoot for Instagram, and then we're gonna head out because it's like 7:05 here, something like that. Which means that for us back in like time in New Jersey is like past 10, and we've been up since 4, so we gotta go to sleep soon. All right, so Mom and I were gonna go to a restaurant for dinner, but neither of us that hungry. And in the Grove here, there's actually a coffee shop with kosher cinnamon rolls. I mean, this is awesome. I love cinnamon rolls, so this is gonna be my dinner. Hey guys, it is now the next day, 4th of July, so most of the day we kind of spent just chilling in the hotel, but now it's around 8 o'clock, fireworks are an hour, and we are at this huge like block party in, I believe, downtown LA. There's like live music, food trucks, just tons of cool people here. So we're right now walking to the food trucks to see is there anything kosher. Hopefully there will be, but if not, anyways, we are here for the fireworks. They're in about an hour, and I'm really looking forward to celebrate 4th of July with fireworks. All right, so as expected, there are no kosher food trucks, so we can't actually get anything, but it's super cool to walk around and see like all the really like creative and different food trucks they have. There's at least like 30 to 40 here. It's really cool. So yeah, I'm just even enjoying like looking at all these cool food trucks. All right, I spoke way too soon. We just walked up a hill and there are literally like 40 more food trucks. I did not know there were this many food trucks. I'll show you guys this other place we went. Like, there's literally a food truck for everything. So there's still hope. Maybe we'll find something, hopefully. But first, look how many food trucks there are in this other place also. All right, yeah, as expected, no kosher food trucks, but we're here to enjoy the fireworks, which are starting in like 10 minutes. Super excited. I mean, who doesn't love fireworks? All right, the fireworks are over. We are back in the car, and the fireworks were much better than expected. We read reviews online, and people said they weren't that great, but they were great, and we are heading back home. This is a great start to our trip. I have lots of exciting things coming up, so be sure to subscribe, hit that red subscribe button down below so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos for my trip in LA and all the traveling I'm doing with all my recipes and all that. Be sure to hit that like button if you celebrated 4th of July, and leave a comment down below what was your favorite part of the video. All right, thank you guys for watching. Bye.